Hello everyone, I'm Rachel and I am a librarian at Brampton Library. For today's Take and Make kit, we are going to create our own mini Clover Terrarium to add a little bit of spring color to our lives. Here is what you will need to make your mini Clover Terrarium. A small jar, a peat pellet, some horticultural charcoal, some clover seeds, as well as a cup, some water, and a spoon or popsicle stick. Here is how to make your mini Clover Terrarium. First, put your seeds in a cup and let them soak in water for a few hours to kickstart the germination process. Then, in another cup, get your peat pellet wet so that it will expand into usable soil. This will take a little bit of time, so be patient. Next, you'll open your jar and put in the horticultural charcoal at the bottom. This will act as a drainage layer to keep the water from staying in the soil. Then add the damp dirt from your peat pellet on top. Use your spoon or popsicle stick to make an even layer. Now you're going to add the clover seeds on top of the dirt. Drain the water they were soaking in and use your spoon or popsicle stick to spread them around the surface of the soil. Once you're happy with the seeds, put the lid back on the jar and leave it in a dark place for 2 days or so until you start to see some sprouts emerging. Now, just leave it in a sunny spot and let it grow. You can keep the lid on so that it retains its moisture, or take it off to give the sprouts more space to grow. After a week, you may need to water your plant, especially if you left the lid off. This jar still has moisture inside, but if yours is dry, pour a thin stream of water into the jar. Then, after 5 minutes, check if any excess water is remaining and pour it out. Within 2 weeks, you should start to see the first true leaves emerge from the plant. These will be a different shape and a little bit fuzzy. That's the sign of a happy, healthy, growing clover plant. Now you just have to watch more of them grow and see if you get any 4-leaf ones. Happy gardening!